alpha minus theta, you can write tan alpha minus theta, that is equal to, so it is the opposite side by adjacent side, right? Tan theta is equal to, so what is the opposite sides? It is d minus x. The total distance will be d minus x is equal to d minus x by the opposite adjacent is h. So d minus x by h. Okay, so now it is a equation like tan a minus b. So what is the formula for tan a minus b? That is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So in the form we'll write, so tan alpha minus tan theta by 1 plus tan alpha into tan theta is equal to h d minus x by h. Okay, so again, if you look at the previous problem, previous diagram, in the diagram 1, if you apply the tan alpha there, then it will be tan alpha is equal to, this is opposite by adjacent. It means d by h. So where tan alpha is equal to what? It is d by h from the previous diagram. So now you can substitute tan alpha in this equation. That is d by h minus tan theta by 1 plus d by h into tan theta is equal to d minus x by h. Okay, so further we can take the denominator h as, if you take the LCM, then it will be further d minus h tan theta by h. Again, let us keep the h as it is, because if you same h, if you take the LCM, so it will be h plus d tan theta. So now this h and this h both will get cancelled. So you can directly write this equation is equal to d minus x by h, right? So after that, make the cross multiplication of these two. So h into d, that is hd minus h square tan theta is equal to, again here it will be 2 into 2 matrix. Now you have to make this one into multiplication. So h plus d tan theta will be here. Now you can make the direct multiplication. So first one, dh plus d square tan theta minus xh minus xd tan theta. If you make these two multiplication. Okay, so now after that, let us check what are the common values you are having. So tan theta, tan theta, tan theta. So 3 tan theta we are having, so that we can take a common term. So first it will be d square here. If you take d square, again minus xt, again this h square, if you take into right side, it will be plus h square, and common it will be tan theta. Okay, now, so this one is completed, this one completed, this one completed. So what is the remaining now? So hd and hd, these both will get cancelled, left side and right side. So remaining is xh minus xh. So if you take into right side, it will be plus xh. Okay. Now after that, where tan theta is equal to, again you can write the tan theta is equal to xh by d square minus xd plus h square. This equation you can write. Okay. So where tan, if you take the left side, so xh divided by this value. Let us say that is one equation. It will be used in the next step. Now we have made this one in the left side. Now what will be the in the right wheel? Okay, that we called as a inner wheel. So this will be inner wheel now, and this will be outer wheel. If you take into left turn, now it is taking into left turn. Okay, so this will be outer, this will be inner now. So what will be the angle made by inner wheel? So again, we'll apply the same tan, and here for the outer wheel, it will be the angle, it will be alpha plus phi. Okay, so alpha plus phi is equal to alpha pi. So what is the total distance here? It is, earlier it was d plus x now. Okay, so here d minus x, so here it will be d plus x, d plus x by distance again h. Okay, so now it can also be right in the same form as if you solve the same procedure for tan alpha minus theta is equal to d minus x by h. So for if you solve the same problem, same steps, then you will get with tan phi is equal to xh by d square plus xd plus h square. You will get the this minus into plus in case of this one. Okay, let us say this is equation number 2. If you want, you can follow the same procedure to get this value. Okay, and after that, we know that the fundamental equation for the correct steering, that is cot phi minus cot theta. Cot phi minus cot theta is equal to what? In the previous class, it is C by B. C by B. Or in other textbook, it will be taken as C as W by L. Okay, so C is what? Which one you have taken C? C, it will be the total distance, this one. C, if you take the chassis distance, okay, the total whatever the chase is, so that will be T, and W will be the width of the front wheel. So C by W, it will be taken. Now in the previous class, we have taken C by A. Here it will be taken as C as W and L as this one. Okay, so this will be W, width will be W, and this will be L. Okay, W by L. So after that, substitute the values of cot phi and cot theta. Now you can make the tan into cot by taking the reverse. Okay, so we can change the tan to cot. So cot phi, so this one is the cot. What will be the cot phi now? D square plus xd plus h square by xh minus cot theta. So cot theta value, here tan is there. So cot theta again, d square minus xd plus h square by xh is equal to, let us write the W by L for the maintaining the standards. So XL, XH, if you take the common, then what will be the remaining in the equation? If you take 1 by XH, then D square minus D square, it will get cancelled. So XD and plus XD, you will get 2XD. H square minus H square, both will get cancelled. So this will be equation you are obtaining. What is that? So now x also will get cancelled. So 2d by h, 2d by h is equal to W by L. Okay, and again you can find in this equation d by h. So d by h is equal to what? It is a tan alpha. So you can write 2 tan alpha is equal to W by L, where tan alpha is also is equal to W by 2L. W by 2L we can obtain from this equation. Right. So this is the final equation which will obtain from this Davis-Gerstein mechanism. So we'll say third equation. Okay. So this Davis-Steer gearing has the sliding pair, and it will be how more friction and more wear. Through this gear, the fundamental equation of all the position, it is inaccurate, and for some time due to the wearing, because